Isn't the neighborhood really pretty? Anyway, welcome to my mukbang. What an introduction. Today I have some dried fried chicken wings from Santang, an iconic place. I haven't done a mukbang in so long. It's so weird. But yeah, here, if you take a look, I don't want to spill it because it is sticky. It's like sticky Chinese chicken wings. They're so good. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Last time I had it, I remember it being really like sweet, spicy, gingery, garlicky. Look, I don't think I can really showcase the real, like look, there's so much sauce at the bottom. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, you can't because this thing is blocking, but so much sauce at the bottom. It's so amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay. I usually eat on my fingers, but it's rough and it's sticky and I would literally have to wash my hands and I don't have access to that right now. So let me just give you guys the first bite. I think I might use my hands midway. Like, my favorite chicken wing. Look at that. Ah! They're sticky yet slippery. Sorry, somebody looking at me. I bet it's because it looks so good. Whoa. This is a whole wing. Look at this one. Let me show it for them. It looks like a whole duck wing. Low-key, I'm craving chicken wings, or the reason why I got it is because in one part of the movie, Our Past Lives, that I just watched with my friends, there's a part where he was like, oh, what do you want to eat? And she's like, chicken wings. And it's such a mood. Those are like chicken wings. One of my friends who watched my mukbangs one time, a way long time ago, when I used to more regularly post, she was like, you need to talk more. Like, you're just eating. I was like, I'm sorry. I'm just hungry, you know? But I do feel bad. Look, I'm trying to take the sauce from like, I'm trying to corner the sauce and then like drizzle it all over the rest of the chicken wings because that's how good it is. Oops. But yeah, you know, I'm just living life. I finally finished school. The recession is hitting me hard. It's hard trying to find an entry-level job. Oh my goodness. Even though I have a little bit of experience, it's still hard. Yeah. Oh. Wow. I'm like in a residential neighborhood, so there's like a lot of cars, but at the same time there's a lot of people walking around. I'm like, what if I just have like a live audience in front of me? Like, obviously I have an audience because I'm filming a mukbang, but like, do you know what I mean? Like right there, you know what I mean? That would be, I mean, that's just a live stream, but like in real life. That's so gross. Why did I say that? No, but you know what I mean? Like, I mean, that's just an eating contest then, right? Because people eat in front of an audience in a lot of those like eating contests. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. It's so unbelievably good. I will say it's not really for you if you don't like sweet. Because the reason why I think it's like really balanced is because it's sweet, spicy, and savory all at the same time. You need to clean your chicken bone. If you don't clean your chicken bone, I don't know what's wrong with you. Let me try getting like a pepper on there. So the trick is like, you have a lot of loose peppers, you just put it on top of the chicken wing. It makes it like really way spicier. So for example, I remember seeing some kind of like joke post being like, if you eat the ends of the chicken wing, like you're greedy. I'm like, I know it was a joke, but I am not greedy. I am not wasteful. That is what I am. Like, come on, bruh. Leave me alone. That's just how I was raised. I'm not greedy, I swear. Ooh. I don't know if you can... Oh, I don't know if you can tell, but there's so much sauce pooled at the bottom. You can kind of see it. It's like... Yeah, like right there, you see like the black. Oh! Not it dripping. Oh, I need to drip it in order to show you guys. I look so messy eating this, but I don't care. Oh, it's not that spicy, but the more you keep eating, the spicier it gets. It's that type of spice. But oh my god, is it good. Here. Now that we're near the bottom, there's 2 wings left. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Last we need to get all the sauce. Okay, all the peppers. Oops. And now I am done. In a mess. Looking like a mess. But yeah. God damn it, it ain't worth it. That shit is so fucking good. Oh, no people looking at me. It's fine. But yeah, if you enjoy this mukbang, let me know. I need to wash my hands. Oh my god, it's so sticky. But yeah, dry fried chicken wings, they're sticky, they're delicious. I look like a fucking mess. That's what happens when you eat good food. Okay, bye.